at the end of each verse there is 2 lines of E, F sharp minor and A. And you could take a look at playing the E with your 2nd, 3rd and 4th fingers, because you've actually worked on E this way in your E-shaped bar chords. If you do that, when you change to F sharp minor, you just have to slide that up 2 frets, bar across the 2nd and take this out. If you don't do that, you will have to reposition the fingers as you slide up to that 2nd chord. It's more difficult. Ideally you would be able to do it both ways. So I go from here to here and it looks the same, even though I've done it 2 different ways. But if you want the easier option, you would learn to play E this way as well. And in this situation you would just slide it up, add the bar and take out the 2nd. And then going up to the A, which is 3 frets later, you would slide up 3 more frets and add the 2nd finger and you have the A chord. So back E, slide up 2, take off the 2nd finger, that's F sharp minor, and break it up 3 more frets to A. Also, I would take the vamp out at this stage to give my guitar playing some variety, because I'm getting the rest on this E chord, so I'm not going to cramp, so I would go. And that's a welcome change from all the vamping. And back to the song. And it's nice to get the vamp back then.